My name is Peter Kibaki. I'm the CEO and founder of Young Eagles of Transformation Kenya and the Eagles Group of Companies. I'm here to present the solution that we've been able to come up with. And this solution is a blockchain-based electoral management system. And this is what we are saying. We are saying that why don't we face off the traditional voting system and embrace a technology that can be able to solve our problems? Why do we keep on fighting the same problem, yet through technology? And we can see in some other countries like Estonia, they've been able to embrace this. Russia, they are now embracing blockchain-based technology to be able to solve their national problems, especially when it comes to voter registration and even the voting process. Our innovation blockchain voting system directly addresses the critical challenges facing the traditional elections in Kenya, delivering a secure, transparent, and efficient electoral process that restores public trust. And we are talking of several features that we've been able to capitalize on. We're talking of enhanced security and identity. And we have used in this system advanced cryptographic protocols and decentralized architecture to be able to create an impenetrable voting system. As my friend has explained, we are using unique digital identities to ensure one person, one vote integrity, while sophisticated encryption makes electoral fraud virtually impossible. We are talking of an unmatched transparency, whereby every vote is permanently recorded on a public immutable ledger that enables real-time monitoring and independent verification. This unprecedented transparency builds public confidence and also eliminates disputes over elections' legitimacy. We all understand that through the blockchain, you can, it's public. It's a decentralized blockchain. So it's public to everybody. Everybody who wants to verify any vote can be able to verify it publicly. But you can't be able to tamper with it. It's immutable. We are talking of cost-efficient and instant results. For over time, I've been at the tallying stations, not once, not twice. I've been there severally. And one of the things that always angered me the most is that we have to sleep there